Alright, this is section 5.6, part 5. Let's plot what we know. So we have a y-intercept of 0, 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 is 1.5. So we have, whoops, let me put that back. About right here. And then we have x-intercepts at 3, 0. So right here, and -2, 0. We also have a vertical asymptote at x equals 2. So about right here. And we have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 1. Okay, and we need to remember that we have a hole at x equals -2. Okay, so looks like what we have is over here. We know that the graph is going to go through this point. We said that we had multiplicities of 1 everywhere, so that means that the graph should go through that point instead of just touching and bouncing off. So it looks like we'll have this number right here. And then what we will have, let's see, looks like we know it's going to go up through here and cross and then go back. Now it looks like something's amiss here because the graph needs to get closer and closer to this, but we don't have another x-intercept. So let's look at what x cannot be. So we need to look at this right here, which has the same thing as x minus 2, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 cannot be equal to 0, and x cannot be equal to 2. X plus 2 cannot be equal to 0. X cannot be equal to -2. Okay, we can't have x is equal to -2 because that would make this entire fraction undefined. So it looks like when we said, hey, we've got intercepts at 3, 0 and -2, 0, well, we can't have this one right here because that would make the entire fraction undefined. So what we need to do is go back, take that back. Okay, so then what we have is this right here. And then at x equals -2, remember, we have a hole. Okay, so we're going to go to x equals, okay, -2 right there, hole, and then keep on going.